your mouth. What about those lemons and limes?
Break out the lemons, Cave Johnson. This is gonna happen, isn't it? Oh dear God. What's this salt? What is that?
Sugar.
Sugar? No. Why? Oh, this is my plate?
Yeah.
This wasn't planned at all.
If it makes you feel any better,
This wasn't planned at all. Oh God.
I gave you like a really, really thin one.
You cut these?
I didn't cut it. He cut them. Chris did. The gentleman that brought us the plates of lemons and limes. Look, man.
You're not. So I'm just gonna say, for the purpose, we were told by HR we can't eat the skins in case anything happens. So, oh gosh, chewy. It's so sour.
Are the lemons more sour or lime?
Oh. All right. Oh, it's burning my tongue. Ah, God. You gotta eat them all? You gotta eat all these?
All of them.
Oh, God, no.
If you puke, you're cleaning it.
If I puke, I'm gonna aim at you.
Oh, fair enough.
Oh, man, that's all of it. It peeled right off. Oh, my God. Can we at least, like, do this for charity? So it's worth it? Oh, God.
It's doing wonders for my soul right now.
I'm swallowing it whole. I don't even care. This is not going to feel good coming out. Oh, no. I hate you, Sean. I hate you. You're next. He's going to eat double.
That's fair.
He's going to eat double of it. Oh, that line didn't feel good. That burn's going all the way down. Oh, boy. All right.
Sean's hours away laughing at both of you. Yes, that's true.
I should have ate this with my Chipotle. It would have made more sense.
Right? A-Dub says my jaw hurts watching you guys. Our pain is your pleasure, okay?
I mean, at least it works as a great breath freshener.
Jimmy Mills. Limes are only good for tequila.
That's actually what's in this bottle. Sorry. I just hit the mic. Because my face is on fire. As well as my throat and mouth. Oh, man, it's stuck in my teeth.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I can't taste anything anymore. This is bad. This is a bad idea.
Smuggler says my jaw hurts from laughing.
Oh, I just took all the napkins and wiped my entire face.
That's okay.
You get that one. Okay. My stomach's starting to hurt. I think I'm just going to take a big spoonful of this sugar and see what happens.
That'll make it worse.
Whole spoonful.
Oh!
Hold on.
Oh!
I'm going down. We're going it. Do it live! Oh my God!
See, I give you props. I can't rip that stuff off. My teeth aren't strong enough for that.
Okay, there's a seed there. And another. Okay. Why did I ever agree to do this?
Because we love our fans and our supporters and our viewers.
Oh, this is a struggle. I just swallowed it whole. There's nothing I can do with that. I just now saw Gerard's message. Gerard98. Jump scares aren't needed for Wes. All you need is someone in the ceiling. That
Love
nothing
you,
has
Gerard.
comedic value for me right now. I'm just saying. You know that meme that everything's on fire, it's okay, this is fine. Everything's fine, it's not fine.
It hurts because you're missing tequila. I don't want tequila. I don't.
I definitely feel like something's missing in my life right now. I don't know if it's tequila or just, not the feeling that's in my stomach right now. But
It
we're
is-
going to find
it
out.
is-
Show the plates.
All right, so disclaimer, I couldn't get off. I don't have strong enough teeth, but the juice is out. I swear.
I mean, I took mouthfuls. I took mouthful
got
bites
the
in every
juice.
single one. I had full mouthfuls of this stuff.
Plus, I was very, very like, HR did scare me and was like, hey, don't eat. It's okay. It's okay.
Is he supposed to like mess with your frame of mind? Because I feel like cloudy right now. Is that just the amount of acidity that's in my stomach right now?
Probably.
I feel a little loopy. Woo!
Woohoo.
Woo-hoo!
All right.
He's high on lemons. I mean, they say that when life hands you lemons, that you should make life take those lemons back. You should request a refund. That or make the lemons combustible. I don't know. Yep, eating Chipotle before this was a real bad idea. I'm just going to say that now. Disclaimer. Don't eat a giant-ass burrito and then gnaw on some lemons and limes, or you'll do the time in the bathroom.
After a while, it's not that bad. What?
You're not human. Can't be human. Wes, you are a god. And Wes keeps going. I just shoved it all in my mouth, and Wes was like, it's kind of good to snack on.
Yeah, I mean, there's some juice left in there. Come on. Kimberly Boyer, who is my mother, says, why no tequila?
Wow.
Reasons. Okay. Reasons. We need more of this. Ghost, I agree with you. I agree with you.
More what? Lemons and limes?
More of our pain and suffering.
Okay, so what's...
My car.
What are we... No. No. What are we gonna volunteer ourselves for next time that could be far worse than this? Like, snails? No!
Yes, please.
Alien Icon.
More.
Yes. Please more of Joe's suffering and on camera.
Nipple piercing.
Nipple piercings?
JK, don't do that.
I mean, that's already done. Not really. Why not? No, I mean, like, no, we're not doing that. No. No.
Next time, it needs to be a whole cucumber. Just a cucumber. Like a banana.
Like, do you just want to see a cucumber in Wes's mouth? Is that all this is? Or a banana? Kind of phallic, don't you think? Jeez. What's wrong with snails? Nothing. I've just never tried them. Escargot, I've heard, is actually pretty good if prepared properly. Like, I never would have eaten calamari.
I love calamari.
Had I not tried it at a restaurant where it was actually prepared properly and it just tasted like chicken.
I love calamari.
So do I.
So
Excuse
good.
me. Oh, that's better. Oh, boy.
So good.
Oh, feeling better now. Okay. I know I need to try snails, Bart. You're right. I do. I should try snails. My brother bought me, like, caramelized crickets
Oh.
from somewhere.
No, I couldn't do that.
Yeah. They looked weird. I'll cook them for you.
Wow.
All the French man I am.
Nice.
Oui, oui. Oh. French snails for you. Be my guest. Be my guest. Ooh. My tastiest snails will be the test.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
I'm just gonna go vomit now.